Okay, so here's a question for you. If you're new to gardening, when do you harvest tomatoes? It's a really good question, right? Because your natural reaction is, well, duh, when they're red or when they're fully ripe. You know what, y'all? That's actually the wrong answer. So sit back, relax. Let's do a little quick tomato talk video about what's called the breaker stage. So if you're a new gardener, you probably don't have a clue what I just said, because up until last year, I didn't know what this was. I never even heard of the term breaker stage of tomatoes. And what it is really simple. Well, let me back up. When you go to the store, right? You go to get tomatoes. You go to get tomatoes that look like this, right? Red, unblemished, beautiful tomatoes. The tomatoes in the stores are lab grown. They're greenhouse grown. They're not real. This is a real tomato, literally grown right there, right underneath those tomatoes. And y'all, when you taste a real tomato, just like you taste a real vegetable of any kind that you grow in your garden, you will see the difference between that store-bought stuff and this real stuff. But hey, it's a different video. 4 days ago, I had this tomato on this vine right here, on this plant right here, and they started to change colors like those are starting to do right here. In fact, this is how this tomato looked 4 days ago. And as you can see, it was still very green, but it was starting to change colors. And you can see it as I harvest it, how you still got some green and it's starting to go red. Not as red as this, but you can see where it's starting to go red. That stage right there is called the breaker stage. And it's very important for a few reasons that you harvest your tomatoes at that point. Okay, Chad, why? Really simple. There's 3 reasons I could think of right off the top of my head. 1, birds. Everything in nature that's red is either a warning or a big, hey, come eat me sign. For tomatoes, blackberries, I know they're not red. I know blackberries aren't red, but birds see those different colors, especially red. And if you have a bunch of red tomatoes fully ripe all over your vines, all over your plants, you are asking for birds and other insects and everything under the sun to come eat that fruit. Plus, the ripe smell of a tomato can be smelled from us, for us, like 10, 15 feet away. Imagine what animals smell. 2, the plant actually stops pushing nutrients into the tomato at this stage. Look at these tomatoes right here. They are definitely in the breaker stage. In fact, I should have harvested these yesterday. But what's going on right now, inside this stem, going to all these different tomatoes, this plant is stopping its nutrient input into all these tomatoes. In fact, in this section right here, the plant itself is starting to scab over the connection between the tomato and the plant. You're going to ask yourself, well, why is it doing that? The tomatoes are still on the plant. They are, but that tomato already has everything it needs in order to ripen by itself off the plant inside your house. So when they start changing the color they are going to be is when you can start to harvest your tomatoes. And those are coming off the vine immediately, as soon as I'm done with this video. And 3, harvesting your tomatoes at that breaker stage allows the plant to then redirect the nutrients that it is still kind of siphoning to those already tomatoes and put that energy and those nutrients into the other tomatoes, just like these. Got all those right there. And in fact, in the last day, they're starting to change colors. So this time tomorrow, they'll actually be a pink. It'll be time to harvest them. So now that you know when you should harvest your tomatoes, there's no excuse for allowing insects, animals, birds, everything under the sun, caterpillars, tomato hornworms, to get your armyworms to get your tomatoes. Harvest them as soon as they start to change color. All right, everyone, so that was a quick, down and dirty, fast-paced video on something that's very easy to see with your eyes when you are in the garden. As soon, and I'm beating this horse to death, as soon as that tomato starts to change colors, harvest it, put it inside in front of a window, give it a few days, then enjoy exactly what you set out to grow when you planted that tomato plant. Everyone, if y'all enjoyed this video, if you got anything out of it, if you learned anything, do me the 3 favors: share, like, subscribe to this channel if you've not done so already. Join this fast-growing community of like-minded gardeners here on YouTube. Everyone take care. May God bless each and every one of you. Shine bright and harvest hard, and harvest your tomatoes when they start to change colors, like I'm doing right now. I'll talk to y'all again real soon. Bye.